I guess it's very rewarding, but it's also at the same time, it's an absolutely amazing feat. And it required an entire team of folks to be able to actually do this. So my name is Michael Creeley. I'm from the New Orleans district. I'm the Deputy Chief of Emergency Management there. Issues here and being able to look at not having potable water, that's really the livelihood of everybody. You're talking about your businesses, your locals, being able to even take a shower and being able to drink water, your school is opening. One of the results of the Hurricane Helene has been an increased problem in the reservoirs here with turbidity and the fact that the filtration systems here weren't necessarily built for the increased turbidity. So one of the things about having a system in place like this is it allows for the locals and the water district to really focus on trying to get improvements done to their system while they have something in place that will handle the increased turbidity so that they can provide the citizens with fresh water. So a big part of that is the partnerships between the local water resources department, between FEMA, between the Department of Environmental Quality from the state of North Carolina, the EPA. So one of the reasons that we got tasked for coming up here is we actually have had to deal with a lot of different issues down in the New Orleans district, from having to provide temporary solutions for filtering water out. So with that technology and the resources that we've came, that was one of the reasons we asked the team to come up here to be able to help. We've got 25 million gallons a day that's needed here. So it's a very large scale operation. It requires a lot of partnership, making sure that this design was going to work, that it was going to be safe, and it was going to provide us a longer term solution, a long-term temporary solution while we were actually trying to get something done on a permanent scale. So I think, you know, a big thing with being from the New Orleans district and dealing with the issues we've had down there with different water issues we've had, and then being able to support outside of our district, taking the expertise that we've gained from doing that, being able to support outside of our district is quite rewarding. And it's also something that we feel almost a duty to do. Being able to actually come in when there's nobody that has good solutions in place. There are a lot of ideas that are there, but actually being able to come in and truly design this because we've got the exposure, we've got the experience of being able to do this has been quite amazing.